Stranda, this is Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a builder's grade 3 tab. So just wanted to bring you up so I can show you what you got going on. So as you can tell, one side of your roof is getting a lot more sun than the other, and it's causing the shingles to start to fade. Also appears as though you've had quite a few impacts to this side, to both sides of the roof. So while we're down here, we'll go ahead and start here. So as you can see, like, it appears as though something has come in and just impacted your shingles. You can see here where something's come down and just really moved around these granules. This appears to have been like a limb, and it seems as though it was pretty recent. Because if it were older, you would be able to see the fiberglass mat. So this is an older impact here. But you also have what's indicative of hail, right? So just smaller impacts where something has come and just pushed those granules right down into the asphalt and exposed that fiberglass and the asphalt mat. Well, as the asphalt is exposed to the sun, what will happen is that asphalt will start to crack and break, exposing the fiberglass mat. Shingles are not inherently waterproof. It's the granules that actually keep the water out. So as the granules start to leave, then you'll run into problems where water is able to get back in and behind your shingle. Also, as we come over to your chimney, you can see where the ridge cap that was used to build out your cricket is starting to crack and break all the way along here. So we definitely want to keep an eye on that. This area is pretty crucial. It's where like at least 4 sheets of decking or OSB come together. So as this starts to crack, water is able to get back in and behind, and then you'll start to see water coming in and around from your chimney. So as far as the other side goes, it's a lot of the same. You've got multiple impacts. Looks like some of them are a bit older, where you can see the fiberglass mat. That's the shiny stuff that you're seeing here. But it also makes the granules and the shingles themselves very brittle. So walking on them can be pretty treacherous, because as you can see from the shadow lines, the granules are starting to really just dissipate along these areas here, which means that these shingles are not properly adhering anymore. The stuff that's holding them together can start to run away. So this is another really great indicator of hail. You can see where the impact hit, pushed the granules right down into the asphalt. And so over time, what will happen is the wind and the rain will continue to come through, and it's just gonna start to move the granules off and expose the underbelly of the shingles. So yeah, I know you guys called us out here because you got a leak. I didn't want to pull up the tarp to take a look, but I'm guessing it was probably maybe an impact from one of the trees around here, or something that has caused the water to be able to get back in behind the shingles. So I'll be down in just a minute so we can discuss the next steps so we can avoid the nightmares and headaches associated with expensive interior damage. Thanks.